Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will show you how to install RStudio and some packages. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to install R. Okay, we need to install R, and to do that we go to this website. So this is the website, the CRAN website, the Comprehensive R Archive Network. And then you look here, you can download R for Linux, download R for Mac OS X, download R for Windows. So it depends on your computer which version of R that you are going to download. Now I will download for Windows, and you go here. You see base, contributed, CRAN, packages, all, contrib, R tool. You click base, and then you click download R 3.4.3 for Windows. Alright, you can right click and save link as, or you just can click. Right, so I've done that. Okay, I've done that, and it is in my computer now. Alright, so the next thing is to double click this file. Okay, click yes, select the language, just click English, next, next, and next, and next. Okay, I've got that already, so I will not proceed. But for you who has not installed, you need to do this. Okay, so just follow the default options, you will be all right. Okay, right, so next what to do is we are going to download RStudio, download and install RStudio. All right, for that we go to this website, RStudio website, and you can go to products, RStudio, and then here you see desktop and server. You click RStudio desktop, and then you see open source edition and commercial license. You choose the open source edition, which is free, and you click download RStudio desktop. And here you can see the free version and the paid version, so choose this one. Okay, and click download, and these are the installers for the supported platforms. Okay, for Windows, for Mac OS, for Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux based computer. So you click, all right, for any one of these depending on your computer operating system. I did that one also, and this is the file. So I double click it, and follow the default installation for RStudio. Okay, I think I'll close my RStudio first. All right, and this one to install RStudio, click next, click next. Okay, just follow the typical default options to install RStudio. Right, so I will not go in proceed because I've got that inside my computer. Next is so we've done that. We have installed R, and we have installed RStudio, and now we want to test. Okay, we want to test RStudio. So now start RStudio. Okay, not R but RStudio. You go to your computer and click RStudio. You will not see an interface like this. This is a different interface. Never mind, it's okay. But what you can do is um, you can you type this one, okay, or you can copy and paste this function, right? And then you paste here, or you can type, okay, you can type install packages tidyverse, and then you click enter, right? But I've got this one already, so I will not do this. All right, okay. So so when you do this, um, the RStudio will install these packages. Okay, this is how you install a package. And once you have done with the installation, you can search, okay, in this box here, in this pane here, you can go to packages, and you can type the name of the package that you just installed. All right, for example, I type dplyr. Okay, so this is the package that I have installed. Okay, if you um, type here and there's nothing here, it means that the package is not yet available in your R library. So you need to go and install by typing something like this, or you can go to packages and click install, and you just, you can for example, I want to install a package name nmle. Okay, I think I got that already in my sorry, nlme. Okay, so I click that one, and then I make sure you tick this box, and then you install. Okay, so I guess that's all, and give it a shot, and if you got any question, let me know. Thank you.